what is a high risk pregnancy and how to manage one.
It was a very nice opening remark from you where you said it's very important that everybody recognizes what is a high risk pregnancy. And since we
Mhm.
have a very high incidence, despite the fact that we are all going outreach, trying to educate people, and people are also well knowledgeable nowadays, depending on, of course, the settings, whether they are in the city or the village or whatever. Pregnancy has been there with the human population for ages and ages. So, obviously, common knowledge is there for every female. But now, with I think the circumstances changing, people have to understand that the problems are also very, very different. And therefore, it is important for us to take a little more effort and try to educate that it is important. We know those days people used to deliver at home. The conditions were very different. But then, yes, 15-16 बच्चे पैदा करो और उसमें एक दो को कुछ हो भी जाता था तो they could
फर्क
still
नहीं
tide over. But now, probably every pregnancy is a precious pregnancy. And so it is very important that they put in with the challenges of the pregnancies in a different way. And it is now we know, at least in major cities in India, we know they all come for the checkup as soon as a urine pregnancy test comes positive. And their last period's date becomes just 30 days and a half a day. They are anxious, and that knowledge helps them to reach very early. And probably we have a little window where we can really catch them early with a high risk pregnancy. But then this is not the picture all through in India. And we know somewhere they will say 3 महीने हो जाने दो फिर डॉक्टर के पास जाना, 5 महीने हो जाने दो, अभी क्या जल्दी है जाने का. All these families do advise in a different way, and therefore we cannot always blame the patients when they come a little late, report us to a little late as well. But it's very important for us to keep telling them even early. In fact, to catch them at the pre-marriage time is the best time to counsel so that they don't end up in a high risk pregnancy.